Asher from Grade 3 Advanced. Our lesson today is about ecosystem, but first we'll talk about environment. Environment, all living things and non-living things around us. Living things, for example, people, animals, and plants. Non-living things, for example, sun rays, water, soil, and air. What does it mean, ecosystem? Ecosystem means all living things and non-living things that interact. What meaning of interact? Interact means the living things depend on other non-living things or living things. As I see, I have this bird live on the fish, means the bird interacts with the fish. And also, I have this plant. The plant needs some rays, water, soil, and air to grow and live. To grow and live means the plant interacts with non-living things. It's fun, it's cool, it's science. Thanks for your attention.
Hi everybody, I'm Judy and Big 3. Today we'll talk about a very interesting topic. It's about ecosystem. Do you know information about it? I'll tell you now. Ecosystem means all living things and non-living things that interact. Living things are human, plants, and animals. Non-living things are soil, air, water, and sunlight. Now we'll take some examples about ecosystem. Grassland, desert, and tundra. Now we'll take one type of ecosystem. It's about desert. Desert is very hot and it gets very little rains. So the living things that live there must adapt to this environment. Now we'll take examples about the plants. Cactus has thick leaves to keep the water in and thick stem to store the water. Now we'll take the yucca. Some animals can hide under the yucca and the birds eat the fruits of the yucca. Now we'll take the animals. Camel. Camel has hump that contains fat and break down water molecules. And to keep the camel live longer without water. Now we'll take bobcat. Bobcat warms itself on a sunny rock. And the lizard, they hides under a rock. And the rattlesnake hunt at night small animals for food. And goodbye. I hope you enjoy this lesson with me. Goodbye.